We're able to launch the program. One bad thing is that some of you, it's not your fault. It's with the computer. Sometimes it does not launch correctly. I see that some of you do not have all of your tools in the left-hand side of the screen. Don't worry about that. We'll show you how to get that. So if you do not have that, there's two ways of fixing all that. So if you go to Tools, Options, and wait for a dialog box to pop up. And within that, towards the bottom of this dialog display box, you'll say Toolbars. If you expand that, or if you click on that, these are all the tools that's supposed to be in there. None of it is clicked. You can go ahead and go to this button right here that says Restore Defaults. If you click on that, it should restore everything. But for that to take place, it's going to ask you to close the program down and then restart it. Okay, so if you are sitting in the same computer, if you plan to sit in the same computer, this is worth doing, because the computers will basically remember that it's your account and this is how you like this is how you set up the Rhino program. So yes, go ahead and restore default, and then when you save, the setting will have been saved to you. If not, if you don't feel like doing that, you can just close. I'm going to cancel mine because mine's alright. If you just close the program down and just relaunch Rhino, it will most likely have all of the toolbars appearing the next time you launch it. Okay, so for those of you who do not have that toolbar on the left hand side, go ahead and do either the toolbars or just close it down and reopen it again.